Hi, I'm Dave. Welcome to the channel. This isn't so much a tech bit as a money saving tip, but I haven't got a playlist for that. So here's a tech bit: the world's cheapest slot car stands. So why do we need a slot car stand? Well, if you keep your slot cars on the track with the guide in the groove, then the tyres are constantly in touch with the track, there and there. Now, especially on a Carrera car, that's not so good because the tyres tend to develop flat spots if they sit too long. And then you've got a car with tyres like 50 pence pieces, and it doesn't handle very well. So people buy 3D printed little stands and all sorts of things that lift the cars clean off the track. I'm here to tell you what you need is all the bits you saved from spare bits from old kit builds. Because all the kits come in 2, 3 and 1 millimeter pieces of MDF. So if you keep a couple of those, and bearing in mind that most slot cars, the ride height is less than 2 millimeters. So you can pop one on the track, you can pop the car on, and it looks like the car is still on the track. It doesn't look artificially up in the air, but in reality, there's a piece of paper, look. Those rear tyres are off the ground. And so are those front tyres. So, just to prove otherwise, here's a Revo slot with the same piece of 2mm MDF under it. It works for those. Here's a Slot-it. Same again. And one more for luck, a sideways BMW. Still, not touching the track. Looks like it's touching the track, but it isn't. So there we are. You can go out and buy 3D printed car stands, or you can just get some little pieces of leftover MDF from some kit builds, and you've made something that makes your cars look like they're sitting on the track, but preserves the tyres. Total cost of these stands, $0. So, as always, thanks for watching one of these little tech tip videos. If you liked it, you'll find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel because it really helps. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications when I do new videos and community posts. And check out this slot car channel.